started raining. I'm gonna film. Bakit ganon? Bakit ganon? Anyway, today, hi! Welcome back to my channel. So, nag-film ako kanina ng video and I'm actually baking my face right now. So, pagpasensya na muna yung aking itsura. Pero I wanted to try these out for the first time today. These are the KJM cheek and lip stains. I have 3 shades right here. I have Bloodshot, Summer Kiss, and Pink Puff. So today, what do I want to try? Siguro I wanna use Bloodshot. So right now, I'm actually baking my face. I just finished doing my base. So is it okay to use it over like powder? I don't know. Ngayon ko lang maisip. Pagpasensya na muna yung aking buhok. Kasi kakaligo ko lang. And hindi ko pa siya nasuklay. Let me brush away all of the excess powder. Again, hindi ko alam kung tama itong gagawin ko. But I will apply the lip and cheek stain over my foundation and powder. Sana okay lang. But the packaging just comes in this parang glass packaging na hindi, parang thick style na glass packaging. Comes in like a roller ball style na packaging. Like this one, parang yung Avon na lip and cheek tint noon. Ganito yung packaging nila noon. Sabi dito, it is an all-natural like makeup product and organic din daw. By the way, I purchased this sa Shopee, sa Pretty Angel shop for 112 pesos kasi may sale nung time na yun. Tapos yung regular price niya, 140 pesos. Ooh. Okay. Very liquidy yung formula niya. Bongga. Uy! Hindi siya mapait, in fairness. Sana hindi mag-dry yung lips ko nito. Kasi usually if I wear like a lip stain, nag-dry talaga yung lips ko. Tapos talagang nag-ano dito, parang dumudugo. Kasi super dry talaga niya. Kaya sana hindi mangyari yun with this lip stain. Right, so there you go. That is what Bloodshot looks like on my lips. Yun nga, kasi stain siya, hindi siya ganun ka-even. Medyo patchy siya ng konti. Pero okay na okay siya. Ang ganda ng look niya sa face. I just look really fresh and vibrant and bongga. So, yeah, gusto ko siya and gusto ko na hindi siya mapait. And it's very liquidy. Kapag ginanyan mo siya sa lips mo, ang daming product na lumalabas agad-agad. I like this. Red na red siya. So, I'm gonna apply this on my cheek. Sana hindi ako magaling mag-blend ng cheek stain kasi hindi ako sanay. But let's try. Siguro dito muna. Okay, definitely natatanggal ng konti yung foundation ko. Pero not too much. And it's not as hard to blend as the other cheek stain na available sa local market. Like yung Fashion 21. Super hirap i-blend nun. Rollerball din yung packaging nun. Uy! Fairness, maganda siya guys. Umabot ako dito sa under eye kaloka. Bakit? Nagbablush ba ang under eye mo? Yung problema ko lang dito. Hindi ko alam kailan ako titigil. Kasi minsan, mas mapula yung right side. So, gagawin ko na naman yung left side. Tapos, mas pumula na naman yung left side. O, gagawin ko na naman yung right side. Guys, ang bongga. Gustahan ka siya. Ang red-red ng lips ko. Oh, siya. Hindi din siya nag-bleed outside. May lip lines kahit na super liquidy niya. Which I like. Bongga yun. So, yeah. This is it, you guys. So, siguro papatungan ko siya ng konting powder. Wala lang, feel ko lang. Kailangan pa ba? I don't know. Pero I will... Hindi naman siya sticky. Pero wala lang, trip ko lang. Ayan. Okay siya. I like it so far. Makes me look super fresh and nene. Ayan. Gusto ko siya. Kaya lang medyo natanggalan ng coverage tong aking pimple dito. So that is it, you guys. Gusto ko siya. As of now, babalik ako mamaya after a few hours para malaman natin kung okay pa rin yung face ko. Para makita natin kung meron pa rin kulay ng ating mga pisngi and ng ating labi. Yun. I'll be back. Ang pula. this is what I don't like dito sa mga cheek stain na i-play. Kasi obvious na hindi natural yung pagkapula-pula na yung cheeks. So I will be back later for my first update. Hi guys, I just wanted to give an update. It's now 4:06 p.m. So it's been like 3 hours since I last applied the lip stain on my lips. And kumain ako ng fries and then I'm halfway through my burger. Alam niyo na, yum with TLC, medyo it's a greasy burger. Tapos may mga mayonnaise, ketchup. And I have been drinking this float, watermelon float from Jollibee. And this is how my lips look like right now. So far, okay na okay pa rin siya para sa akin. Yeah. Oh, medyo nawalan nga tayo ng color dito. Siguro, I will touch up later. Dito lang sa inner part ng aking lip. Kasi pupunta ako sa SM. Tapos, diba? Ang pangit. Yun, that's my mini first update. I'll get back later for another one. 8:20 p.m. Just finished having dinner. And this is the lip situation right now. Ayan yung lips ko right now. Let's zoom in. Anyway, after I was rudely interrupted, this is how the lips look like right now. Nag-fade na yung inner part ng aking lip. Pero sa outer corner, everything is still okay. Still looking okay naman. So, I'm not going to retouch right now. And wala pa akong feel na dryness or chappedness sa aking lips. So, that's good. We had a lot of sushi, as in kasi nag-eat all you can kami, tsaka tempura. Yun. So yeah, that is my check-in right now. I'll be back later for my final update. Hey guys, welcome back. It is now 12:37 a.m. So, I don't know, has it been 12 hours siguro since I've had this lip tint on my lips? Hindi ako prepared. Wala akong salamin. Pasensya na, medyo oily na ako. I haven't retouched my face nor my lips. Actually, nag-retouch ako one time nung sinabi ko sa inyo na kailangan ko mag-retouch kasi punta ko sa SM. So yun, one time nag-retouch ako. Pero kanina pa yun, like a lot of hours ago, siguro mga 7 hours ago? Not sure. But this is how my lips look like right now. After nung dinner namin, na marami kaming kinain, wala naman akong masyadong kinain. Uminom lang ako ng maraming tubig. Kasi nanood kami ng sine, so tubig lang yung binaon namin kasi busog na busog kami. So, ito na yung itsura ng lips ko. By the way, kahit na initial application pa lang, wala siyang transfer. It is transfer proof, so bongga yun. And it doesn't feel sticky at all. Tapos hindi siya drying at all. Up until now, andyan pa rin siya sa lips ko, pero walang dryness na nangyari, as in. Actually, before I tried this, I wanted to try the other lip tints that I had para ma-test out ko kung okay ba talaga to. So, yeah, I think this is the best lip tint that I've tried so far. Mga local lang naman yung na-try ko, lip and cheek tint, yung sa EB Advance, yung sa Careline, tapos na-try ko rin yung sa Fashion 21, yung nasa rollerball. What else? Ano ba yun? EB ba yun? Yung parang lip gloss yung lalagyan before. Na-try ko din yun before and hindi ko rin masyadong bet kasi hindi siya masyadong maganda para sa lips. And I've also tried the Sophie one, yung sa Sophie Paris na cheek tint. Okay naman yun, pero habang tumatagal, mas lalo siyang tumitingkad. So, yun lang yung hindi ko gusto sa kanya. Right now, meron pa rin namang color yung aking cheeks. Medyo rosy pa rin, pero hindi na siya ganun ka as how it looked like a while ago. Hindi ako nag-retouch with powder. Nag-blot lang ako with a blotting paper, pero medyo oily na ako ngayon, pag-sensya na. So ayan, konti na lang yung rosiness na ganap sa aking cheeks para medyo natural na siya tignan. And sa lips ko naman, meron pa rin color, pero yung sa inner part ng aking lip, konti na lang talaga yung color na natira. Pero na-notice ko naman na okay pa rin siya kahit na i-reapply mo siya. Yun nga lang, the reapplication process is not that easy kung gusto mong perfect na perfect talaga siya. Pero kung nagmamadali ka lang, okay lang naman din siya, yung itsura niya, but it's not going to be perfect. Parang pag ginanito lang siya, then spread mo siya with your lips. Ayan, ilang seconds lang, medyo okay na. Ayan, lagyan ka ng konti dyan, sa inner part. Ayan. Tapos, okay na siya. So, ilang seconds lang, okay na okay din siya. And isa pa nagustuhan ko dito is, hindi siya mapait. Like other lip tint, siguro kung nakatry na kayo ng lip tint, alam nyo na medyo mapait yung ibang lip tint. So, ito, wala siyang pait factor at all. Gusto ko siya as of the moment for like 140 pesos or less. Okay na okay itong lip and cheek tint na ito. Tapos, all natural pa siya and organic. So, walang harmful chemicals and hindi harmful sa face. So, bonggang-bongga to. This is a bongga product for me. I love it so much. And I suggest na i-try na rin siya for yourself. Like, if you're an on-the-go lady and kailangan mo ng something very quick and very easy to do, this is okay. Siguro kahit 2 minutes lang, lagay mo sa cheeks, tapos lagay mo sa lips, okay na. You would look really fresh and awake and vibrant and bongga. So yun, bonggang product for me. I love it so far. And I think that is it, you guys. Wala na akong masasabi sa lip and cheek tint na ito kasi bonggang-bongga. Longevity, price, wala siyang scent. Yung flavor niya, okay. Tapos, ano pa ba? The texture is okay. Super dali niyang i-blend. And available locally sa online store, available siya. I suggest na dun kayo sa Shopee bumili kasi kapag nakaabot kayo ng 250 pesos, free na ang shipping. So, bongga, diba? So, yun lang guys. That is it for my review on this KJM Lip and Cheek Tint. Sana nakatulong itong video na ito para sa inyo and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel para kasali na sa pamilya natin mga inanators, char. And gumawa ng pangalan para sa sarili na. And also, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below kung na-try niyo na itong product na ito. Tell me your experience on it. And yun lang. Yun lang guys. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell para stay updated every time I upload a new video, which is every other day, sometimes even more. That's it. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be finally a review. I just got out of the shower, by the way. Pasensya niyo na yung aking towel. Today I will be trying out the new Daiso sponges for the first time. So first nakita ko to. It's